Aloe vera is known for addressing wounds and cuts, as well as damaged hair. However, studies have shown that this plant can also be an effective weight loss tool. Aloe vera for weight loss comes in either latex, gel, or juice form that is taken out from its tubules. This plant extract offers 75 active vitamins and minerals, carbohydrates, enzymes, salicylic acids, amino acids, and phytochemicals. If you want to lose weight and live a healthy lifestyle with the help of aloe vera, then read on and be surprised at how this plant does wonders. Benefits of aloe vera juice for weight loss. Aloe's weight loss properties are becoming more and more well known. Every day, new uses are discovered for this spiny-leafed plant and its wonderful translucent gel. Aloe vera stands above the rest of nature's products as a detoxifying agent that helps the body remove waste. And did you know the aloe plant also helps us burn fat? That's right, it improves our metabolism and the production of fatty acids, which is undoubtedly a big help in the fight to rid our bodies of excess fat. Don't forget that aloe is a natural laxative, promoting intestinal function and better allowing us to eliminate toxins from the body, digest food better, and maintain the body's natural equilibrium. How to make aloe vera juice for weight loss. Ingredient: 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of honey, a glass of water. Collect the gel carefully, using a knife to split the leaf lengthwise and scraping out the translucent liquid contained inside. To prepare this recipe, just juice 1 lemon, add it to a glass of water, and get a tablespoon of aloe vera gel from the plant. Warm all the ingredients while stirring constantly until the gel blends with the liquid. Add a tablespoon of honey, and drink it while it's still warm. This juice should be consumed every morning before breakfast. After drinking it, you shouldn't eat anything for another hour. This helps to cleanse the body by removing toxins, and also helps you start the day off in the best possible way by cleaning our intestines. It's also just a pleasant drink by itself.